We're just joined here with
Taryn.
Taryn, nice to meet you. Where are you from?
Texas.
Texas. You're just here visiting?
No, I live here now, but I'm originally from Texas.
Oh, cool. So today we're asking, how old were you when you lost your virginity?
19.
Okay, and was that with like a boyfriend?
No, it was just with this guy that I had a crush on when I was a teenager.
Is it something you regret or?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. If you could change anything about that, what would you change?
Who it was, I would definitely change. I would wait till it was someone that I either loved or deeply cared about in some form or fashion, not just a boy that I met on MySpace.
How old were you when you lost your virginity?
I was 14.
Okay, and was that with your boyfriend?
It was through one of my brother's friends, so it was just a friend.
Okay, and did you love him?
No.
Is it something you regret or?
Kinda, because it was just kind of like a one-night thing.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Okay, and if there's anything you could change about that experience, what would you change?
Probably waiting until like we were actually something instead of like just doing it as friends, I guess.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
15.
Okay, and was this a girlfriend?
No.
Okay, did you love her?
No.
Was it awkward or how was the experience?
Exciting, I guess.
All right, fair enough. If you could change anything about that experience, would you change it?
No.
All right, so we're just joined here with
Maria.
Maria, nice to meet you. I'm Adrian.
Nice to meet you.
And today we're just asking a few questions. First of all, how old were you when you lost your virginity?
17.
Okay, and was that with a boyfriend?
Yes, it was.
And did you love him?
I think so, yeah.
All right, Taryn, well, that's pretty much it. So we're just doing
Thanks. What's your name?
Adrian.
Nice to meet you, Adrian.
Yeah, you too. Whereabouts in Santa Monica are you from?
No,
Well-
Studio City.
Oh, me too.
Really?
Yeah, you know Ventura and Tonga?
Yeah, that's where I'm on Tahunga, or Vine Lane Moore Park.
No way. Are you
Yeah.
in like a complex or something?
Yeah, we're in a big complex. This is my roommate, Gabby.
Hey, Gabby, do you wanna jump in the street interview? Yeah, I did go to kickball actually. Oh, yeah, I know you, Gabby.
Small
I
world.
do know you. Didn't we like make out?
What? We
We
did?
did, yeah.
Where?
It was with JC. What's her name? I'm pretty sure we did.
Yikes.
Me and you did?
Yeah, it was like on the.
With JC.
No, JC was there. It was after kickball. I think it was
We made out
Brooks. It was Brooks' place. Remember Brooks' house?
We made out after kickball.
Yeah, it was like
Going online.
it was like we were watching movies and then we were cuddling and then we made out.
What? Why didn't you tell me about this?
You weren't drunk or anything as well. We weren't drunk.
It was really memorable.
Yeah, you remember that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
did.
Yeah.
I was there.
Yeah, you remember that.
Our lips touched.
Yeah, they did.
Anyways, I'm Gabby.
Anyways, yeah, I know, I remember. So, we're just doing a little interview. How old were you when you lost your virginity?
Oh, I was 22. It was last year.
Okay, and you're 23 now.
Yeah.
Cool. Do you, wait, was it with a boyfriend or something?
It was a boy I was seeing.
Okay.
It wasn't like a boyfriend. I don't think anybody dates here.
True.
Or it's like, except for if you've been dating for a while.
If you've been fucking for a while.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay, and is it something you regret or you don't really care or was it,
Yeah, I think I was kind of late on the train. So I was like, let's just get it over with. You know?
Me and the other roommate kind of convinced her to get it over with.
They like taught me tips and tricks. And here we are.
we're just joined here with?
Jason.
Nice to meet you, man. Where are you from?
LA.
LA. Born and raised? Mm-hmm. Cool, man. So today we're just asking a few questions. First of all, at what age were you when you lost your virginity?
14.
Okay, and was that with a girlfriend?
Yeah. No.
Okay. Did you love the girl?
No.
Okay, fair enough. So it was like a random chick?
Not random, but not intimate. Not really.
And how was the experience?
It was pretty shitty.
Okay. Did you want to expand on that?
I mean, yeah, it was in the back house of my boy's house on a mattress that was just in there, a dirty mattress. But she was a good girl though.
Okay,
Yeah.
If there was anything you could change about that experience, what would it be and why?
Nothing. I don't regret anything. No regrets.
20.
20. Okay, and was that with a boyfriend or a random person?
It wasn't random, but it wasn't a boyfriend.
Okay. Did you love him?
No.
If there was anything you could change about that experience, would you change anything? Like, for example, would you wait longer? Would you...
No,
I don't know.
think it was. I wouldn't. Well, change anything. Maybe. Yeah, I think it was. I don't regret anything. So should I be waiting?
So you wouldn't change anything?
No.
Interesting. And how old are you now? You're what, 21?
I'm 19.
Okay, 19. Cool, cool, cool. So who are you traveling with? Family, friends?
Family.
Nice, nice. Where are you staying? Nearby? Just up the
there.
road. Just right there. That
Yeah,
building right
Santa
there.
Marina.
That red one right there.
Yeah, the red one.
Really?
Yeah.
The red one?
Yeah, the red one.
Oh, what a guess. Okay, that's pretty much the interview, by the way. So, we are just joined here with...
Madison.
Nice to meet you, Madison. Where are you from?
I'm from Oregon.
Cool, cool. So today we're just asking a couple of questions. The first question is, at what age were you when you lost your virginity?
I was like the first one in my class. I was like probably 13.
Okay, 13. Okay, and was it with a boyfriend or
Yeah, I'd say a boyfriend. I thought it was a boyfriend.
you thought it was?
I thought it was.
Oh, and what happened?
I mean, after he took my virginity, he just kind of like ran off the face of the earth. But
Oh, interesting. Did you love him or did you have feelings for him?
No, I mean, I had feelings, but I was 13. What do I know what love was?
Yeah. And how's the experience itself? Was it good, bad?
It was really shitty, actually. It really hurt. I couldn't walk for like 3 days.
3 days. Damn. Okay, and do you regret the experience?
No, because I mean, you learn from it. I mean, being that young, I regret it, but just learn from it.
If there's anything you could change, what would it be and why?
Oh, about the experience? Yeah. Probably just wait longer. I mean, I was 13. What the fuck?
Yeah, it's really,
What about
really
you?
interesting. Take a guess.
15.
No, 19.
19. How old are you now?
23.
19. Yeah, that's different than 13.
Yeah, right, alright. Did you want to hang out sometime? Even though you're only here for 4 days?
Yeah, I'm here for 4 days, so
I mean, we can grab some yogurt or something.
yogurt
Yeah?
sounds good.
Are you down? Do you have a number?
It's my shoe.
It's on your shoe.
It is.
You put your phone number on your shoe.
My name, but my real name is Maria, but people call me Mika.
Don't be recording that.
But the last number
Why is
is
your- why
off.
is
The
your
last
number-
number is off. It fell off, so
Oh, why'd you put your number on your shoe?
well, that's a little bit different. Isn't it?
Alright, wait. I'll just get your number real
But this
quick.
is the Dutch number, so you probably won't get it.
Is it WhatsApp?
Yeah, but it starts with.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
let me
Maybe
just-
you can put it in. Okay. All right. And it was Maria, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You enjoying LA?
Yeah, I arrived yesterday, so it's pretty good.
Nice.